today. It's a lovely day. It's very cold. It's cooler than usual. I know it's winter time and it is expected, but then again, I have something here for you. It says about when somebody come up and you start to feel disappointed and most of all angry about it because you're feeling frustrated. It shouldn't be. You shouldn't be. Because there are many ways to calm down a negative energy. It's a negative energy when you become frustrated, angry, and disappointed. Calm your energy down without opposing or suppressing or fighting that kind of negative feeling. It's an energy. It's powerful. But if you recognize it, you acknowledge it that it's happening to you and you change by something inviting, more pleasant, something nicer to come up and replace it. Be creative. Read some inspiring article, read some inspiring words. You listen to a piece of beautiful music. Walk someplace in nature, or you do some meditation to take that bad energy, negative energy, anger away from you. That's the secret of not trying to make your blood pressure go high. All right? Do you want me to repeat it? Find a way to recognize that bad energy, negative energy, anger, frustrations, and disappointment by replacing that kind of feeling with a good feelings. Read, walk, and listen to a beautiful, calm music. Shift, that is energy shift. All right, practice it all the time.